Here's something the pros do differently, and it has nothing to do with doing more. Big wins are built quietly. Pros don't chase intensity or motivation. They commit to consistency, even when it feels boring. Welcome to my series, What the Pros Do Differently, where I share the quiet shifts that actually matter and have nothing to do with doing more. They show up on ordinary days. They repeat simple actions. They trust the process. Consistency compounds, and over time, it outperforms short bursts of effort. On the days that feel ordinary or unremarkable, remember this: small, steady steps matter more than dramatic effort. Save this for when motivation fades. Consistency beats motivation every single time.